Hello guys. So let's continue with this topic of this dashboard analysis. What we are doing as last, if you remember, in the last part when we were discussing that how to what exactly is dashboard and how we can't filter the data inside the dashboard and something like that. So if you remember, as I was telling you, these dashboards, these tiles have been arranged properly. Everything is absolutely fine. But if let's say suppose I am clicking on a particular tile, it is not. It will open up this tile only. Okay, but they are not connected with each other. Something like that. If I click on this, it will open up this the report where this tile was. So it's not like that they are connected to each other like a report. Okay, so what exactly? Sometimes what happens is we need the dashboard to work in such a way that we have some things on the page and the we if I go, let's for demo purpose, if I go back to a report, let me show you what I want to say. If I go onto the sales analysis report, okay, where we have lots of visuals on all the pages and all that stuff. I want to say that okay, everything looks okay to me. But what I want is I want to integrate this live page. I want to integrate this live page, which is they are interacting with each other and all this stuff. Because if I click here, it interacts with all the other visuals as well. So the interaction between the visuals are going on and all that stuff. Okay. So what I want is I want to integrate this live page onto my dashboard. Okay, so what I'll do for that is you can find the option of pin a live page. So if you're on the report page, click onto this and pin to a dashboard. You can see here option a pin to a dashboard. That means it will pin your live page onto the dashboard where you would like to pin to, and you can see down below pin live pages enables changes to the report to appear in the dashboard tile when the page is refreshed. That means what? That in the dashboard it was kind of a screenshot that what you have taken, what you have filtered out, you have done the analysis and you have given the screenshot to your stakeholders. Okay, but when you are pinning up a live page, you are pinning like a report page, and your visuals will be keep interacting with each other. You can continue the interaction between the visuals and all that stuff. So a very helpful feature. You want to pin it into an existing dashboard or a new dashboard. Once again, I want to pin it into my existing dashboard only, the sales analysis. Pin live, done. Let's go to the dashboard. And if the down below, if you see, we got that page, that whole page have been pinned into my dashboard. You can go ahead and change the settings later on, as you have done before. You can go ahead and change these settings as well. But the important thing here is the visuals will be keep interacting with each other. So if I click on this, it will keep interacting with the other visuals. Similarly, if I click on this, it will keep interacting with my other visuals. So in this way, sometimes we need to pin a whole and soul live page to an existing dashboard. This way it helps out. Even if I filter out some data onto the dashboard, even if I filter out some my apply some slicer onto my pages onto this page, and even I filter out some data from this existing report page, it will be refreshed here into the dashboard as well. It will be filtered out here into the dashboard as well. Okay, so that was it kind of a live connectivity between the report page and your dashboard page, and whatever is changes happening into your report page, it will be reflecting here onto the dashboard as well, and the visuals keep interacting with each other. So make sure that you do it when you want to uh, showcase a whole page into a page while with the visuals interacting with each other directly onto a dashboard. So use this feature of pin a live page. Great. Sometimes what happens is when we have too many visuals onto a, we have to, let's say I have too many visuals onto my dashboard, and it's very tough to see all the visuals in a single go and very tough to analyze the, sometimes it becomes tough to analyze the dashboards because of the number of visuals. So what we can do is we can go onto this dot button and click on, or not on this, sorry, this is not given here. We can go here and click on the full open in full screen mode. As soon as I do it, the dashboard and everything will be gone, and it will open the page into the full screen mode. Now it makes it more simple for me. Okay, I can go back by clicking on escape button, or maybe do fit screen button once again. What I want to do is I want to remove this from my dashboard. So what I'll do is I'll go into workspace and click on my dashboard once again, and I can and I want to remove this, so that option is not there, that gone. I have to edit this. I'll show this, but this option is not displaying right now. How to remove this particular page from my existing dashboard. Okay, but what I was saying is, if I go back to my full screen mode, and maybe we are into full screen mode still, we want to see all the visuals in a single go. That's what my purpose is. I want to see all the visuals into a single look. I don't want to adjust here and there and then look at them. I want to see all the visuals in a single look. So what I'll do is I'll click on this button of fit to width. Fit to width, a beautiful option given. So click on that. As soon as I do it, or maybe just a moment. Yeah, fit to screen, not to fit to width, fit to screen. So as soon as I click on it, it will show me all the visuals into a single look. And definitely it's not the way I want to look at, because it's not I'm not able to get all the visuals properly. But yes, for looking at a snapshot or looking at kind of a how your dashboard is looking like in a single look, and how your all the tiles are arranging, what we have inside the dashboard to get the insights and everything, it's a beautiful option given by Power BI. So that way you can go ahead, you're going to go back to fit to width, you can go ahead, you can go and full screen, normal screen, sorry, we'll go back. Great. So we are done now with the Power BI dashboard part. We have seen a lot of features here, how the dashboards are, how what is Q&A, how to use the quick insights, how to pin the insights into your existing dashboards, how to do all these things we have already talked about. And the last thing we want to talk about is last point before we move to the next module is what exactly it will look like when you will look into the mobile apps and how to use the mobile apps of Power BI. So it's very simple. Go ahead on your Android phone, iPhone, or maybe on your any of the uh, uh, iPad. You can go ahead and download Power BI app. Just go onto the browser and open up app.powerbi.com. Make sure to sign in with your company account. You are using whatever account you have been using here. Go ahead and sign in there as well. And then finally you open the same way. So you open up your workspaces. Inside that also you will find the dashboards. Inside that you will also find the reports and everything. So go ahead and open up the reports over there. Thank you. It will help you to analyze the data on the so thanks. That's it for our this part, and we have done a lot of amount of training now, and we are ready with the dashboards. We are ready with the reports. That's a beautiful thing. And now the next, what will be next? What will be next? Because it's a very powerful tool, and definitely we have a lot of requirements as well. So what my next requirement is? I have two main points in the mind when I was first time working on Power BI. First is, do I need to refresh data manually every time? That's a very, very tedious task. Do I need to refresh my report manually every time? A very tedious task. How can I sort out this problem? Okay. So I searched a lot on Google and Microsoft on that, and I definitely got the answer. That's what we'll discuss in the next module, that how to use the on-premises gateway feature given by Microsoft Power BI to set up the gateway in your own machines and get your schedule the refresh for your reports. Schedule a refresh in your reports for your reports calendar wise. Like for example, I want to set up a refresh at 10 o'clock in the morning every day for my report. I'll set up a gateway for that. Second point is security, which is a very, very important part, because when we share these reports to the stakeholders, we don't want to share the whole report with each and everyone. I want to say that, okay, this particular person can have a look on this part of report. This particular person can have a look on this part of the report. So how to handle that security part? So that those points we will discuss in the upcoming module. Be ready for that. Make sure that you are ready with the dashboard so that you can go ahead and practice them practically as well. Okay. If any questions, then let me know. Thank you so much, and be ready with the dashboard.